Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can turn on incognito mode on your YouTube in 2 clicks very easily. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching this video. Pause. So friends, let us get started with you. And for that, open YouTube on your phone. Then go to your account. Then underneath your photo, scroll through this menu. Here you'll find Switch to Incognito Mode. As you can see, it says I'm in incognito mode, and then if you click on the search bar, you can search for videos to watch in that mode. To get out of this incognito mode, you have to click on this sign in the bottom right corner and then exit incognito. And as you can see, that's how I got back into my YouTube account. Friends, this is a very simple way to turn incognito mode on and off on your YouTube account. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write your comments and also put your likes. See you soon.